So next, find your bevel gear. Input and output, again, rotational, right? So gears, it's always rotational. Whether it's chain, simple gear train with idler, bevel gears, chain drive is just a special kind of gear, but right, both rotational, input and output. Now this may be different, the answer for this one may be different from what you heard in the video, because when I made the video, the model that I had made, I copied from a project Lead the Way, and it used two of these small ones, and they don't come together at 90 degrees. And I've never seen bevel gears that aren't forming a 90-degree angle. So you got the input here and output here. So you use bevel gears when you need to change directions 90 degrees. Okay, and you got a different size bevel gears, so that changes the speed and the torque. Flow of power reversible, because I can take the output up here and I can turn it and everything still works. So the flow of power is reversible. Direction of travel, I can turn the input one way and it works. I can turn the input the other way and it works. Okay. This I just made, I put, I don't know if you can see in there, but the input gear, I attached a bevel gear to it here and one down here just to show, right? One input bevel gear, and I'm driving two different outputs because they're both meshed with the input gear. Or if I needed it to go a different, I could even, all right, I've got an input here and an output here. I could also attach another one to this output gear if I wanted to, and make it coming out a different place also. Just shows that you can make it turn 90 degrees in different directions with one bevel gear. You should be following along, right? Checking your answers, changing your answers, fixing your work.